Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn Python for beginners on your laptop. First, download and install Python directly from Python.org. Next, select a good code editor. VS Code is a popular choice for its features and extensions. Then, begin by writing simple programs to understand fundamental concepts like variables and basic operations. This hands-on approach will build your confidence quickly. Once Python is set up, dive into its core concepts. Grasp how variables store data, how operators perform calculations, and how control flow statements like if and for direct program execution. Functions are crucial for reusable code, so learn to define and call them. Finally, explore data structures like lists and dictionaries. They are essential for managing collections of data.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for diving into programming books or just relaxing with a good story. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Consistent practice is key to mastering Python. Challenge yourself with coding problems on platforms such as LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Start building small, personal projects like a calculator or a simple game to apply what you've learned in a practical way. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to gain real-world experience and collaborate. Many excellent resources are available to support your learning journey. Always refer to official Python documentation and online tutorials for detailed explanations and examples. Engage with Python communities and forums. They offer invaluable support and networking opportunities. For a more structured approach, explore online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy, which provide comprehensive learning paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.